Bali Trip 2022, Part 1.
A very good morning, everybody. What's your name? My name is Ubud. Thank you for watching me. So far so good. We are going to Bali. We are going to Bali, everybody. Tara, where are we going?
Bali.
Bali? What are you doing in Bali?
Drink Bali.
Drink Bali juice. Are you kidding me, Mama? Alright. So we are going to take our plane, right? What's the plane right name? Jetstar.
Jetstar, they put it on our luggage.
Yeah, Jetstar. Oh, look. Zara has her own luggage. So nice. So pretty. Ooh. Look like me. Not. That's a rabbit. I'm an owl. Alright. So we are now waiting for our seats to be called. Because right now they are going for the back row first, followed by the middle row, and ours is in the first row. So special. Yeah, I think it's about 7 a.m. in the morning. Oh, are you excited?
Yeah.
Well done, well done.
It's going to be blue sky.
Blue sky, everybody. Blue sky. Okay, so maybe the next video will be inside. And it's about 2 hours flight, right? 2 hours, Sarah. So you're gonna have a long ride there. So hopefully you're fine. Are you scared?
I'm not scared.
No need to scare lah. Vibration, yeah. Just your nice jacket. Flower. Ooh, well done, Zara. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Shake hand.
thank you for waiting. Passengers,
See you in a bit.
door 20 to 30.
Morning, everybody. We are in the plane. We are in the plane and everyone's still coming in inside the plane. So many people. I'm telling you. How are you feeling, Mama?
Feeling good.
Oh, you scared? You scared?
I'm scared of snake.
Oh, you scared of snake too.
I'm scared of plane.
Oh, so poor thing, poor thing. How are you feeling, Zara?
I'm not trying it.
It's okay. I'm just saying. I want to know. Oh, look at that. We are sitting beside the engine. The turbine power. Turbine power. Okay. I'll see you again after when you take off, okay? You need to wear a seatbelt. Zara, show me how you wear a seatbelt. Oh, good girl. Look at her. All grown up. Know how to put on her own seatbelt, Mama. Well done. Well done.
Always amazing.
Well done, Mama. For taking care of Zara so well.
Oh, you got something.
No, I'm wearing mask. Okay, see you in a bit.
Bye.
Oh, it's to landing already. It's going to land, everybody. Clouds, everywhere clouds. You wanna help me? Hey, Mama, I'm scared.
Oh, the cloud.
Clouds everywhere. Clouds. Marshmallows everywhere. Very bad. We are in Bali. Zara, we are in Bali. Anyway, it's a bit warm in Bali. We are in WICIS. Oh, WICIS. WICIS, Mama. We go WICIS. WICIS. No, WICIS together. WICIS. So yeah, WICIS, Zara. So we are here for lunch. I think what time now? Is it lunch? Is it lunch? Okay. So we are going to have lunch first. We lunch at a nice, unique cafe in Bali, Kuta. Kuta. Okay. So we're gonna have lunch, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay. 2 hours right to our hotel villa. Oh my goodness. So we're gonna have our stomach fill up first, and we party. Bye. Gotta say a few words. It's okay. Enjoy your tablet friends. Hey Donnie. My name is Tweetwood. What's your name?
Excuse me.
My name is. My name is.
Fairy.
What's your name? Tell the TV, the audience. Donnie. I'm Tweetwood. Okay. Enjoy. Okay. Hey Zara. I know everybody knows you. Bye. Oh, welcome back. Oh, that was a good lunch. We had pizza, pasta, is it bolognese beef, Mama? Mama, it's pasta beef bolognese. Yeah, but Zara don't like it. Why? It tastes weird. Yeah, I saw cat also. Is there cat just now?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so itchy hands later. Anyway, we are now heading to the villa, right? Are you ready? Oh, we are in a minibus. Everyone say hello. Ian, influencer Ian. What's up, yo? I'm a YouTuber too, you know. Yeah, let's welcome another YouTuber. Let's like, subscribe to Ian FM. You will put the link down below later, okay? Check it out. I'm in the nest, everybody. Welcome to my house.
Wakanda forever.
Hi, finally, I've seen you. It's been a while. I've seen you on camera. So where are we now again? We are at the Ubud paddy field. I think they plant rice, grain everywhere. And we are here at the middle of the park. Yeah. So this is a nice place for you to just hang out after climbing up and down the bridge, the swing, everything. Amazing. Such a nice place. Alright. Oh, look at that. I saw eagle head. There's one eagle head over there. There's another eagle head over there. Oh, lucky never put owl head, huh? Amazing. Alright, I think that's about it about this unique park. And very nice, very chilling, very cooling, windy at the same time. Oh, you should come, right? Zara, how are you feeling? You had fun climbing the paddy fields?
Yeah.
You had fun, yeah? A lot of photos, a lot of places. But where? Hey, lucky no owl, is the eagle. Alright. I think that's about it. Thank you for watching. This is I think the end of day 1.
Good morning, Bali. Day 2.
Good morning. Yes, as you can see, we are on the way. It's very comfy. Oh, it's 6:30 in the morning, but look at the sun, so bright. Hello, and I found a YouTuber. This is second day. This is the second day. We are going to up the mountain for some breakfast and what? Breakfast and what? Breakfast and strawberry picking. So this is amazing. It's gonna be a bumpy ride for the next 10 minutes also. Alright, I'm gonna fly out of here. I cannot take this shakes. This. Whoa, you gotta be kidding.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Good morning, everybody. We are at Montana del Cafe, Mama. Oh, you look dashing. Is it cold? Oh, look at the mountain. Look at the mountain, everybody. That's cool. You like it? Hug me. I'm warm. Welcome to La Fresa, everybody. After the where was the cafe just now? What was the cafe? Is it Montana Aglero? Montana del Cafe. Thank you very much. And now we are at the Al Fresco. No? Al Fresa. Sorry. Al Fresa Strawberry Farm. Not much farm. Strawberry Farm. Strawberry Farm. Oh, poor thing is okay. So we're gonna introduce everybody that we are in a strawberry farm. And we're gonna pluck some. Tara, we are gonna pluck some strawberry, are we? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Excited for strawberries? Boy. Alright, let's go and pluck some strawberries, everybody. Hey, do that again. Oh my goodness. I see a bit. Have our baskets ready. And ready to pluck some strawberries. Oh, you got a pink one. You love the color pink, right? I'll see you a bit. Sarah has been cutting the strawberry very well.
I got 2.
Oh, nice. Some more, some more, some more. Oh, no, walk here. Everybody, we are done picking strawberries. Yeah, so you can see here, we have a basket of strawberries.
Now let me walk through
Yeah.
the
Well done, Zara. You can be a strawberry picker. Right, to count. You wash hand already, Mama. Dirty. We were there. And now we are at the hut. Kampung hut. Everybody is so comfortable, so cozy, so windy. Can hear the wind. Oh. Okay, we're gonna weigh them and we're gonna pay for it. Nothing comes free, huh? Okay. Yeah, there's a lot of flies, bees, and insects flying around her. But
okay.
it was okay. It's okay. Yeah. I'll celebrate.
End of part 1. Thanks for watching. I love you.